I am here to present industrial applications of anaerobic fermentation. First of all, we will start with introduction, then ethanol production, then process of bread making and fermentation in bread and the types of fermentation in breads. First of all, in introduction, I will show you the products in which anaerobic fermentation is used. It is used in bakery products. It is used in organic matters in cultivation and waste treatment and used in ethanol production by yeast. Then we will start with ethanol production. It is a biological process in which sugars such as glucose, fructose and sucrose are converted into cellular energy and thereby produces ethanol, and carbon dioxide is released as a metabolic waste product. Here yeast perform this conversion in the absence of oxygen, so it is called anaerobic fermentation. Now the stages of beer production. Here beer is ethanol. First is malting, then grinding, then brewing, then fermentation, aging and bottling. Processes before fermentation. First process is malting. In malting, grain water content of grain must be less than 14% and store it for minimum 6 weeks. Then grinding is the process in which barley is grinded to assess to the sugars. Try to achieve quantity of flour is 10%, quantity of husk will be 20% and the middles will be 70%. Brewing is done by mixing milk charge with hot water. Next is the fermentation process. Fermentation process occurs in washbacks. Yeast added in washbacks splits glucose molecules. Each molecule of glucose gives two ethanol molecules, two carbon dioxide molecules and heat. Carbon dioxide rises up which causes bubbles in mash, produces foam and evaporate in the air. Now alcohol can be smelled and resulting heat can be felt by putting a hand on a washback. Primary fermentation will come to an end when there is no more sugar for yeast to transfer and alcoholic concentration of wash rises to high. At this stage, several bacteria will start to work, especially lactic acid. After 48 to 96 hours, it is finished and mash will end up with an alcohol concentration of 6 to 10%. These are the stages. First stage is malting flow, which is barley is used for malting, then malting kiln, then dressing, then mashing, and last is fermentation. Now the next use of anaerobic fermentation is bread making. Bread is a product of baking a mixture of flour, water, salt, yeast and other ingredients. The process involves mixing of ingredients until the flour is converted into stiff paste or dough. It is the diagram of dough before adding yeast. First diagram is before fermentation, then we add yeast, then the fermentation gas is produced which increases the volume of dough. We can also see its optical microscopic observation. Then the next is fermentation in breads. Yeast produces carbon dioxide and alcohol from sugars which kept in hot atmosphere that enables dough to rise. Yeast also produce volatile compounds which give original taste and make it more elastic and volume increases. Fermentation types. Direct fermentation is the process in which dough is rested, molded and then fermented very quickly. This is 3 to 4 hours and baked immediately. This produces large size breads and crumb is regular and crust is thin. Bread has poor shelf life. It dries quickly and tends to soften. Now is indirect fermentation. Dough is stored in dough containers or bowls, we can say, for pointing period from 10 to 48 hours. Fermentation only takes place at night until dawn and dough pieces will be molded and baked in morning. These are the process with diagrams. First is sponge and dough, second is straight dough, third is no time,